Do you guys see this? This is literally one layer. Bald. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. So if you guys want to see how this bomb product works, then make sure you guys stay tuned. But before you go, you already know why, because I say this in every video. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm always doing it over here, but I think it's on this side. Make sure you guys pound that subscribe button. And until next time, bye guys. Okay guys, so I've already taken my 91% alcohol and I have went across my hairline just to make sure that we don't have any kind of residue, any oils, anything like that, to make sure we have a flawless application. Next, I'm going to go in with her skin protectant. I'm just taking cotton pad, and this is just going to act as a barrier between the lace, the liquid gold, and your skin. And I use the skin protectant when I'm using her glue, the Bold Active, even when I'm using her tape as well too. You always want to have something to protect your skin. It says to apply a small amount around your hairline, the areas of the skin where the lace will be applied. Try to do one subsection at a time. This is applied to a 1-inch area. Lay your lace on that area, blow dry it with warm air, go to your next section and repeat. All steps until the entire hairline is dry and holding. So let's do what she said. All right, guys, so let's get into the tea of this product here. So I ordered this last week. I got it in like a couple of days or whatever. I saw that Tamika came out with a new product. I absolutely love Bold Hold products. I have her glue, the active. I have her tape. I mean, I love her product. Read you guys what it says on the back. It says it's the best glueless lace product on the market. So no longer a hairspray, all product, no air. So what I got out of this was that, to me, it gave me, if Got to Be Gel and Got to Be Spray had a baby, and here's their product. It's like a gel, but it is kind of runny too. The thing that I love about it is that it gets tacky like that. So it's definitely not like your Got To Be, where you have to apply it and then you have to go in with the blow dryer first. You actually go in the blow dryer afterwards, and then after you lay it down into your lace, and then you move on to the next section. But you guys, like, legit, this isn't going anywhere. Like, y'all, and this is one layer of this, one layer. Let me give you guys the specs on it. It was, let's see, this is 8 fluid ounces. So with this product, it is for my girls who have pretty much, you're either nervous to try glue, or you have a love-hate relationship with Got To Be, like myself. This is the product for you. This is the product for you, because it's still going to give a hold without having to go through all the steps of the glue. This product literally is amazing. I'm not sure how long I could probably get a wear out of this. I'm gonna aim for about 2 to 3 days. I mean, I may be shooting high, but I'm definitely going to aim for that. I love how quick and easy this application was. Literally, for those who are busy like myself in the morning, you literally can knock this out in about 5 minutes, sis. Literally 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I mean, we pushing it if we go on to 10. But literally 5 minutes. You literally throw on your unit, go in sections. She says to take 1 inch. Child, I took more than 1 inch. I probably came, like, as you guys saw in the video, I came across right here. This is more than 1 inch. And then to this huge chunk over here, and then this huge chunk over here. I like to be on the go, but I absolutely love how this turned out. Like, this literally, I just can't get over, like, literally a little bit of product with maximum results. Like, I mean, literally this side too, this unit is not going anywhere. And the best thing about this, you guys, you know what it takes to remove this? H2O, some water. That's it. That is it. You just go across your hairline with the water, slides off like butter. Okay. I don't know if Tamika will see this video or not. Girl, you did that with this product. I'm so glad you came out with this. I cannot wait to continue to use this. If you guys have any questions that I probably did not answer in the video, make sure you guys leave it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Hello to my new subscribers. What's up to the old gang? How y'all feeling? How's everybody feeling throughout all this crazy stuff? So yeah, until next time.